Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is November the 16th, 2021. This is going to be our Tron price prediction. We want to give you all an expectation as to when to get into the market in Tron so that you can ride it up to higher prices. Welcome. This is HueFin, also known as HueFin News. I'm not here to confuse you. I'm going to give you all price predictions according to price alone. We're not going to read articles. We're not going to talk about technical analysis, technical indicators, none of that. The only thing that we worry about on this particular channel is the price and see what people are trying to do with their money. So if you guys find that very interesting, or at best you want to learn more, keep it locked in here. Hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe to the channel. I definitely want to say thank you to all of our day ones, the ones who have been supporting this channel. Hopefully you all have been learning so much from our price predictions, because everyone else is making this confusing. They're trying to get you all to learn technical indicators, trying to get you to do the Fibonacci retracements and the MACDs and the moving averages, and how the sun rays is hitting off the moon bounce, and how the stars have a line against the solar rays across the North Pole, and all of this. It doesn't require all that. Just focus in on the price and you guys will begin to see how the market really works. Let me talk about this real quick. You guys can see it from our last price prediction in Tron, which was on October the 17th. We're not hiding anything from our day ones. If you've been a subscriber of this particular channel, you already know what to expect. We come back and actually evaluate what the price has done in relation to what our expectations were. So here it is. Take a look at it for yourself. We was telling you all back on October the 17th to look for Tron to go up in price, and it did. And not only that, we even prepared you all and told you that as long as this price in Tron does not break below 8 cents, look at that, the market still held our support area around 9 cents. It still held that area of support. So even though the market price in Tron came all the way down here, right, on October the 27th, even though it tried to break our support area of 9 cents, it didn't. So the market still ultimately came to where we said it will go, right there around 12 cents, which happened on yesterday's trading day. 18.79% profitability. So from October the 17th to November the 17th, a month in, you got 18%. Simple. Done. Over. So let's move on. Let's talk about Tron, and can we get into the market now and expect the price to go up? Well, we might need to pump the brakes, and let me show you one reason. The first reason that I'm seeing that Tron may be trying to take a break now is, take a look at this. Let's not think of this as a coincidence that we haven't been able to see the price in Tron break above 13 cents. Like, that's not a coincidence. Now, we give kudos to the market for trying to break the price above 13 cents, but we failed at it, right? So this is restriction into the market in Tron. Now, if you're looking for the price to break up above 13 cents, you got an issue, because it's not ready yet. Until you see this market break on high volume, we're going to expect the market to give some weakness. And at best, we're going to consolidate, trade sideways for a couple of days, and then come back up towards 13 cents and try to break it the next go around, right? So check this out. I'm seeing 13 cents as restriction, and I'm also seeing 12 cents as restriction as well. Now, 12 cents is the closest area that the price is trading around. That, again, if we can't even break 12 cents to the upside, don't even think about the market and trying to hit 13 cents. Don't even think about it, right? So those are the two restrictions that we need to keep in mind as we do this price prediction in the market in Tron. Don't expect price to go up until we see some strength break 12 cents. And then the second level is 13. Don't expect too much movement outside of that. Now, what do you think about this? Do you think that this is the trend to the market in Tron? Or do you think this is the trend? All right. This one seems more feasible to where the market can come in and try to bounce from. So let's create the play. This is the field of play. This is what we're expecting the market to do in Tron. Okay. Let me take this back up to 13. So this is the area of concern. I wanted to show you all our area of concern as to what to look forward to in the next coming months. And it's right here. I'm going to circle it. So from 13 cents all the way down to 10, maybe 9.5 cents is where we're going to focus in on Tron's price right here. Smack dab. This is the bullseye. This is the target for what we need to see and expect in the upcoming weeks to months for Tron. Now, we already got rejected at 13 cents. So the free fall, the path of least restriction is down. Okay. That is our focus currently, is to see how low price is going to go in Tron. Now, this is the market on a 2-day time frame here, or 3-day into the market in Tron. Right now, this is massively weak. We don't want to see this if we're looking for the price to go up, right? We got a day and 12 hours left, but we don't want to see this. This is terrible news for those looking for Tron's price to go up, because we tried within the last couple of days to see price break above 13 cents, and we're getting hit massively with selling. And there's not enough buyers into the market right now in Tron trying to successfully break price above 13 cents. So look at this again on the 2-day time frame. Like, this is again some indication of weakness coming into the market. And by us failing to see price successfully close above 12 cents and 13 cents, we got to take note of it, right? So when do you want to get in? Is it right now? Based off what I'm showing you, based off what price has already done, no, it's not right now, because if we're looking for the price to go lower, then this is not the time to come into the market in Tron. Now we got 11 hours and 57 minutes left. So you got to give me some margin of error in regards to how this price bar ends in the next 11 hours. Because if, let's just say for instance, the price in Tron in the next 11, 12 hours, we're able to see the market come all the way back up here to the high of the bar, then obviously my analysis will have to change, because the price definitely was overbought and it was overcame by the interest and the demand, and the people came in and bought up Tron. So my prediction will have to change from one of seeing price go down to one of seeing the price go up. So given that margin of error of around 11 hours, I need at least that, because this current 2-day price bar is not done, right? It's the 5-day chart. So the volume in Tron has been on an increase over the last 4 to 5 5-day price bars. We've seen this market volume really increase. And as the price has been inching up higher, yeah, the market has been selling. Like, there's been a lot of selling going on to the market in Tron. And so far, it was able to hit 13, but there's still a whole lot of sellers into the market. There's still someone in Tron offloading their TRX crypto into the market. This is what this high volume represents in combination with the price bars. You got to give the information like it is, and this is what's been going on into the market in Tron. So all in all, we're looking for price in Tron to give us another dip, right? Now I got 12 cents as our first area of restriction. That is where the current area of restriction is. I also identified 13 cents as the biggest area though. So I'm going to bring it up there towards 13 cents. Now I'm looking for the market in Tron to try to give us some support around that 10-cent price. That would be the first area that we can see the market in Tron grab some strength. The buyers come back into the market right there around 10 cents. So that's around 8.32% into the market in Tron. And then I'm ultimately going to bring it down here to our ascended line. Okay. Which is around 12.79%. So either or, market breaks above 12 cents, then cut the play, right? Let it go. Because the market obviously has given us a lot more strength than what we were anticipating, and rather market higher prices. But currently, when I look at this on the 2-day, 3-day time frame, the weakness is still dominating this current market. So we're going to continue to play that side right now. Now, this might be a couple of hours, it might be a day or two in order for us to see this market dip. This might not be a sustained weakness movement to the downside type environment, which is why I wanted to give you all this ascending line so we can all pay attention to see what the price does around 10 cents to this ascending line. Okay. So this is my expectation. This is my updated price prediction into the market in Tron. You guys might agree, you might not, which is cool. We're open to our own thoughts. So, I mean, you could drop me the comment in the comment section of this video and tell me, what are you noticing on a chart in Tron? Do you see the same thing? Are you looking at something totally different? What is your analysis telling you about Tron's price and where we're trying to go in the next 3 weeks? So drop me the price prediction. All my day ones, hit me up. Let me know where price is going to be in the next 3 weeks. This is my thoughts. And this is where I'm looking for the market to go. So now is your turn. Let me know. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.